up high.
Make sure fuel rich.
Heading bug set for runway.
1207, altimeter 3002.
Let's go.
Taxi via Delta, contact tower 120.1, holding short of runway 23 and squawk 0050.
Flight director heading NGA.
Right.
Heading NGA. Flights 10 degrees. T's and B's are great, full power. There's speed of light. 50. 560.
That's good. About 18 and a half. Position your power just a little bit. So get the power back just a hair. Yeah, that's fine. And then just bring the nose up a little bit. Open it slow on the plane. Nice. It's nice. All the lights are on. Nav lights, landing lights, taxi lights, all the lights on. Inches. Okay, bring the nose up just a little bit so you're sinking too much.
500.
Okay. So we are at 900 feet, 200 feet to go, where we're too low. Right? Bring the nose up just a little bit. We'll fix the speed. Right? That's our slope. That's too much power. You should be about 17. Okay. That's 17. Okay, reduce your power just a little bit more. Try just a hair. Right? And bring the nose up because you sinking too much. Right?
Minimums.
Alright. Follow the path, right? That's good. 75 will be too fast, but fast is better than slow. Okay. Hold the nose a bit. Right. Okay. Don't put it tight until I tell you, okay? Keep on going. Slowly to idle. Center line, please. Center line. Okay, just hold it here. Idle. Okay, hold it more. No, this more. Nice. Okay, idle.
Mike X Tango X-Runway 05 and confirm Peters.
X05.
Exerting 05, Mike X Tango.
05 is this?